Episode 7, Recuperation, the Forgotten Half of Health. In a world obsessed with effort, intensity, and productivity, recuperation has become almost invisible. But the truth is simple. You don't grow in training, you grow in recovery. Your nervous system can only adapt when it feels safe. Your fascia can only reorganize when it's hydrated and rested. And your strength only increases when your tissues have the space to rebuild. Yet, most people live in a constant state of low-grade overtraining. Not because they push too hard in the gym, but because their entire life is built on tension. Too much stimulus, not enough stillness, too much stress, and not enough integration. So even when they rest, they don't actually recover. Recuperation is not the absence of work. It's the presence of restoration. It's full sleep, it's calm breathing, it's quiet walking, it's sunlight, it's salt, it's stillness. It's allowing your body to catch up to the life you're living. When recovery is poor, everything feels harder. Movement feels stiff, pain lingers, and motivation drops. Your body shuts down speed, power, and coordination to protect you. But when recovery is strong, everything improves. Your posture lifts, your tissues soften, your energy returns, your mind clears, and your strength feels accessible. This is why athletes who understand recovery age slower, move better, and perform with less strain. Recuperation is not laziness, it's strategy. It's how you become resilient. It's how you stay young. It's how you build a body that can actually support your life. If you want to feel alive again, don't just train harder, recover deeper. Stay tuned for episode 8, Community and the Human Reset.